Hey guys, so here's another keyboard that I'd say I mostly love. This is the Royal Kludge. I don't know. Everyone says Kludge, I think. I like the word Kludge. This is an H81, Royal Kludge H81. Um, Pretty cool. I ordered this during Prime Day, and since then, this particular version with these colors, I don't even know what this is called. Maybe it says on here. I don't know. Um, Seems to be, I don't know, gone. But there's still a version of it out there. It's just got much more neutral colors, which has some benefits I'll get to. But I mean, it's the same. It's just a paint job kind of thing, but or color of the plastic. But anyways, this is like top marks for connectivity. Love the magnet on that too. A few of them have been doing that. Um, yeah, the connectivity is awesome. You know, you got your 3 Bluetooth profiles. You can select them with this funky knob up here, which is pretty cool. And you can also switch to a RF dongle. That's the USB guy there obviously is for. Um, yeah, so it's got a lot really going for it. I really dig the sort of retro motif. Um, I mean, obviously that's a personal preference thing. The drawback of it, though, that these colors is first off my top pet peeve in general. I love backlights. I hate the non-shine through keycaps. It's like ah, and and so in this case, yeah, you can replace the keycaps for sure. But look at the colors. Like we got this funky green over here, sort of an off, I don't know, cream. I don't know what this beige type tan color. I don't even know what that's called. Um, so whatever I put on here is going to probably clash with a lot of this stuff. So if I change the keys to something that, in my opinion, should have been from the day one with the shine throughs, then yeah, I don't know. Anyways, these are the RK the Royal Kludge brown switches on here. At least I think they are. Geez, why don't we just check? Um, so yeah, they're the browns, which is good. This particular key on the end, I actually swapped in a very clicky. What are these called? This is the Calais Glorious white switch. Super clicky. So, anyways, it's pretty good. It does lots of RGB LED stuff. I like to make it white with a slightly moving thing. So if you watch very closely, you can see it's very like subtle. You can speed it up and slow it down with various settings, but whatever. So a little demo time now. So there you got a good sense. Yeah, I don't know if I'm keeping this or not. I really like it. I'm not sure I'm going to use it that much, but maybe. It's like this little, looks like a little metal panel or something in there. Oh, I'm not going to peel off the sticker. I don't think it has open source firmware, which probably most people don't care about. I kind of care. But... Oh yeah, my other little pet peeve. You got your home key here. Put an in key. Make it an H82. But I think how you get end is you do like function home, something like that. It's fine. The switches are fine. I feel they engage a little late. It's obviously user configurable. You just put in whichever you like, but I also kind of want to buy a board that I don't need to mod. I love that I have that option. It's also kind of cool. There's like a tiny hub here, so you can plug in your. And this looks like a glyph for a memory stick, but whatever. Anyways, that's the RK H81. I think if I were to buy this again, I might not go for this funky color scheme because the other version is much more neutral colored, and that kind of lends itself well to replacing the keycaps with whatever it ought to have shipped with. That is something that is shine through. I don't know about how I feel about this too. Like, you could remap functions of things, and this is a little bit limited, but it also has some interest just by being different. So it's a good board. Yeah, personal preferences.